Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a mini makeup tutorial. Today I want to show you the Flawless Filter product from Charlotte Tilbury. I've got a bunch of questions about this recently. Sort of similar to some of her products. If you're a fan of the brand, you'll know she's very highlighter, kind of glow-centric, from powders to liquid products. They're all similar but different, if you know what I mean. There's something for everybody. If you want to go full powered, supercharged glow in your face, there's something for that. Or if you want to go more natural, very soft and subtle, there's the highlighters for that. Is it a foundation, tinted moisturizer, highlighter? We're gonna get into it. I like to apply this directly onto the skin, and then we can either blend it in with a beauty blender or your fingertips. Blends on really pretty. I'm using the Beauty Blender sponge to blend this into the skin. Isn't this so cute? This is one of the new colors. And this really helps to push the product into the skin, and it just gives a really nice finish. It's quick, it's easy. Sometimes I'll use my fingers too. What I really love about this product is that it's very sheer and it doesn't feel goopy or sticky or really heavy on the skin. It blends in so beautifully. It sinks into the skin, so you don't feel like you have a thick layer of product. You really can layer your foundation over this and not feel like you have a ton of makeup on. You can see it's leaving the skin so luminous, so glowy. I'm trying to get a little bit closer so you can see just how glowy it is. I can still see my skin underneath it, so I don't feel like this is masking or I feel like I've got a huge layer of makeup on. It really just, it almost looks like I had a facial yesterday and my skin's ultra hydrated. I went ahead and put on concealer just under my eyes, as well as blush, a little highlighter. I ended up using the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a palette. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link so you can check that out. That is the makeup that I'm wearing, so it was super quick, really easy. You could take your foundation, or say you have a tinted moisturizer that you're just kind of feeling so about, you could put it on the back of your hand and just put some of this on the back of your hand with it and mix it together and try that. It's so fun. I think it'll really kind of give your foundation a little boost. You know, sometimes we need a little boost, maybe not every day, but you know when you need that in the morning. And this could be great for that. You could also use it as like a highlighter to spot treat. So after you've applied your makeup and you're feeling, I want a little something more, I don't really know. So say you've got your foundation on, your concealer, and you're wanting kind of something extra, just apply this to your cheekbones, maybe a little on the bridge of your nose and right here on your Cupid's bow, and just kind of pat it in with your finger, and it'll give your skin life. Like, it'll just bring it up, dial it up a notch, which I really like. So you can play with this product. It is more of one of those products that's kind of exploratory. You're supposed to have fun with it. You know, as a makeup artist as well, I think that's what Charlotte wants to encourage everyone to do, is just to kind of have fun with it and find the way that works for you. I'm having fun playing with it, and I'll show you guys more on Insta stories. I've been having so much fun on Instagram creating little videos, so I'll try to show you more ways I like to use it just kind of every day. But I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think if you try this product. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you shared this channel with your friends. Reach out to me on social. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.